Hello friends, this video is for ICSE class 10 students. Let us solve an important sum from chapter Ratio and Proportion. It is taken from chapter-wise revision exercise given at the end of the textbook. Does it appear difficult? Don't worry. Just follow the steps explained in the video carefully. Practice it a couple of times and you will find it very easy to do. This is the question which we have to solve for x. This part of the question is numerator and this is denominator. And first step will be to apply componendo and dividendo. On applying componendo dividendo, you have to write it as numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. One more important thing is whatever we do on left side, that is applying componendo dividendo, same thing has to be followed on right side also. But on right side we have only b, which is only numerator. So we will write it as b upon 1. So that we have numerator and denominator, and same thing can be followed on both sides. In our first step, this is our numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator, and we have applied it on both sides of the equation. Now here is an important thing to remember. Minus denominator part has to be kept in bracket. Because of minus sign outside the bracket, sign of terms inside the bracket will change in next step. All other terms will remain same, only sign of this part will change. And that also sign outside the root, not inside the root. Inside the root, all signs will remain same. In the next step, let us open the bracket and change the sign of terms in this part. We have just copied all the terms and their signs except this part. In this part, we made it minus a plus root x and plus a root of a minus x. That is, we have changed sign only outside the root, not inside the root. Now let us see what is getting cancelled. In numerator, plus root a minus x and minus root a minus x is getting cancelled. In denominator, root of a plus x and minus root of a plus x is getting cancelled. Now we have 2 root of a plus x in numerator and 2 root of a minus x in denominator, and right side remains same. Again 2 is getting cancelled here. We have root of a plus x upon root of a minus x is equals to b plus 1 upon b minus 1. We have terms on left side which are in root and terms on right side are not in root. To overcome this problem, we will square both the sides. On squaring, square root of the terms on left side gets removed. So we have a plus x upon a minus x, and on right side we have b plus 1 square upon b minus 1 square. Now our next step will be to expand both the terms on right side. We will use identities a plus b whole raised to square and a minus b whole raised to square. So now we have a plus x by a minus x and b square plus 2b plus 1 by b square minus 2b plus 1. Next step now is, once again we will apply componendo dividendo to these fractions and write them as numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, without forgetting to put a bracket in denominator where we write minus d, because we have to change sign of the terms inside the bracket. In next step, we'll open the brackets and change the sign of the terms inside, and now we will look which terms are getting cancelled. So plus x minus x is getting cancelled, plus 2b minus 2b is getting cancelled, a minus a, b square minus b square, 1 and minus 1. So now we have 2a by 2x equals to 2b square plus 2 upon 4b. From 2b square plus 2 we can remove 2 as common, and we have 2a by 2x equals to 2b square plus 1 upon 4b. Now we can cancel whatever the terms are getting cancelled. 2 is getting cancelled, and 2 ones are 2 twos are. So now we have a by x equals to b square plus 1 upon 2b. We will cross multiply this. We have a into 2b equals to x into b square plus 1. Or we have to write the answer in terms of x. So we will keep x on one side and we have x is equals to 2ab upon b square plus 1.